Hi there. Okay, today the practice is to focus on a simple and short breathwork routine. Okay, so breathing is natural to us, right? That's just a part of our autonomic nervous system. It happens naturally. And so breathing is also one of the fastest ways that we can impact and quiet our mind by taking control of the breathing in our body. Okay, so this is a short practice where we're going to focus on three main areas with our breathing. So we're going to focus on the belly, specifically the abdomen. We're going to focus on the mid-chest. We're going to focus on the head. All right, so with this practice, we're going to breathe in through our nose, out through our mouth, and we're going to focus each time in a certain area and feel that. And basically we're just trying to soften ourselves, bring focused attention to that area of our body, and I'm going to be kind of walking you through that. So let's just begin. Nice, just a deep breath in, longer exhales. Breathing is a focused way to help our body send signals up to our mind that it can unwind, it can focus on the present, it can slow down. Okay, so now put your hand on your abdomen. So this is my thumb is at my belly button, hand right below it, and we want to feel our abdomen going out as we breathe in. As your abdomen expands, I just want you to envision, think of you're just filling yourself with calm, with peace, and you're exhaling stress and tension. Expand that abdomen and exhale again. Okay, let's move up now. Move up to your center of your chest, middle chest, okay? Hand is there, feel it going out. As you do that, maybe you just want to bring your shoulders back, chest out. Just feel that we're just expanding the chest area, breathing in peace, calm, breathing in rest, breathing in focused attention on right here, right now, in our chest. Just doing a little sweep of our chest. As we breathe in, we're sweeping out those spots that are tight, dark, heavy. Making it peaceful, making it calm. Okay, we're working our way up. Our spine, our body, from our abdomen, our chest, now to our head, okay? So my hand is there, and I'm just gonna envision air going into my head. Focus attention on your forehead softening, your jaw softening. Just breathing that in. Slow it down. Don't focus on anything else but just the practice of in and out and filling your brain, your head. Peace, with joy, with calm. Just exhale, we let it out. Okay, all right. So that breathing practice is a just focused little routine that you can do it is like significant that we are starting at the base in our abdomen and we're working our way up to our mind. We're just feeling peace, feeling joy, feeling calm, and bringing that to our mind from our body. Okay, so that's the breathwork routine for today. And again, you could just you can do each of those longer. You can do a minute of each. You can repeat that, but the focused attention by your placing your hands in these key spots is significant to just bring attention to your body. Your nerves are responding. They know your hand is there in that area. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. We will see you next time.